Hello, I think the audio was not clear. Hello, am I audible now? Am I audible now? Hello, I think the audio was. Okay, now it is fine, I guess. So, welcome all of you. So, welcome to this series, master series for general aptitude for CSIR NET exam and GATE exam. So, today's topic is clock problems. Please invite all your friends who are preparing for GATE exam and NET exam, or GATE exam or NET exam, any exam. This will be useful, and this is a special offer I want to announce to all people. For today and tomorrow, for Unacademy Plus subscription, Unacademy have announced a 20% discount. So you can use this code CC10 and get the subscription, and you will get 20% off on your subscription. And also you can access not only my classes, you can access all the courses of all the educators. So yes, Parikshit, this lecture is for GATE exam and NET exam for all streams. All streams, this will be useful. So make use of this opportunity if you're planning to attend Unacademy Plus courses. And February 2nd onwards, the new batch of General Aptitude course or General Aptitude training is starting. So you can be part of that General Aptitude training full-length course, 2.5 month course for the June exam. For the February exam also, that course will be useful, the first 8 lectures. So this is how you can take Unacademy Plus subscription in the CSIR UGC NET category with maximum discount. So more about it I will tell towards the end of the class also. So for the new people, this is the bio of me. This is the book I have written for general aptitude, which is currently the bestseller book. And this is the detail of the new course. By the time more people join, I will just briefly discuss about this course. This is the new course I'm starting from February 2nd, the new batch of general aptitude training. Full-length topic-wise course it is, and it is a complete theory of CSIR NET Part A topics will be discussed, and previous year questions and practice questions will be discussed topic-wise, and there will be separate sessions on shortcut methods, tips and tricks, speed matrix, etc. The timing is 8:30 AM to 10 AM, February 2nd to April 13th, and this is the referral code you should use to take subscription to attend this course and all other courses. Parikshit, the book you can search in Amazon. You can find the link of the book in Amazon itself. The latest 7th edition is available there. So this is more detail of the complete course starting from February 2nd. It is for life science, mathematical science, chemical science, physical science and earth science CSIR NET aspirants. And another revision course for February exam is also running, 2 PM to 3:30 PM. That also you can access by this subscription itself. No separate subscription needed. One subscription. All courses of all educators you can access by a single subscription. So these are the subscription pricing, and this is a normal discount. But now, as I told, for today and tomorrow, Unacademy is giving an Unlock 20 offer, 20% off on all Unacademy subscriptions. So use this referral code to get this 20% off. Today and tomorrow only this is applicable. This was announced yesterday by Unacademy, this 20% off. So make use of that. And if you are planning to attend Plus subscription or Plus courses, make use of this special discount for today and tomorrow. Okay, so I think more people are joining now. Happy to see more and more new people. So let us start today's topic. Clock problem is the topic we are discussing. These are some basic facts you should know to do clock problems. First of all, angle between hour hand and minute hand. Angle between hour hand and minute hand of a clock. This is a formula you should remember. Half into 60h minus 11m, where h is the hour hand value and m is the minute hand value. Hour hand value और minute hand value दिया तो angle between hour hand and minute hand कैसा find करना है, that is what one type of question can be asked. This is called modulus. Modulus means negative value है तो भी positive बना सकता है. So I will explain this concept with the question itself and then go to the next concept. This is a June 2013 NET exam problem. Same type question was asked in GATE exam also. I will show you that also. Make a try with this question, so that I will teach you this theory with this question. If you already know the theory, you can answer it. Otherwise, wait till everyone try. After that, I will explain. Please try it. Very good. Some of you already got it right. Okay, I will explain. The question is asking what is the angle between minute hand and hour hand of a clock at 7:35. I'll show you first what is the angle that we are referring to. Angle between hour hand and minute hand at 7:35 means this angle is what you need to find. This angle. So, yeah, some of you got 0 degree as the answer, thinking that 7:35 hour hand is also on 7, minute hand is also on 7. That is wrong. Minute hand 7 पे है लेकिन hour hand 7 पे नहीं है. Hour hand will be 7 at 7 o'clock only ना. At 7 o'clock only hour hand will be at 7. But the time is not 7 o'clock, it is 7:35. So the hour hand have moved forward. So definitely there is a non-zero angle between them. This non-zero angle is what you need to find. Again, use this formula, half into modulus of 60h minus 11m, where h is hour hand value, m is minute hand value. In this case, hour hand value is 7 and minute hand value is 35. Substitute that and simplify that. Half into modulus of 60 into 7 minus 11 into 35. That is 420 minus 385. Half into modulus of 35. Modulus of 35 means 35 positive number है. Positive number है तो positive number you can take as such. Negative number है तो negative number का negative consider करके positive बनाना है. This is already positive, so just take positive value. So that is half into 35, 17.5 degree. Please respond in the chat whether everyone is clear about this concept or not. Very simple concept. So this is a CSIR question asked based on this. So I will show you a GATE exam question asked on the same topic. GATE 2020 problem. Make a try. Now 30 seconds will be enough, I guess. Try it and post your answer in the chat. Okay, some of you already got it right. What is the meaning of quarter past 3? Quarter past 3 means quarter hours after 3 o'clock. Quarter of an hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes now. So quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. So definitely quarter past 3 means 3:15. 3:15. 3 hours after that 15 minutes passed. Why 15 minutes? Quarter hours after 3. Quarter of 60 minutes is 15 minutes. So 3:15. Hope it is clear. At 3:15 angle between hour hand and minute hand is what is asked. So 3:15 means our hand will be, minute hand will be on 3. Our hand will be little forward. This angle is what you need to find. Again, you can use theta is equal to half into modulus of 60 into our hand value is 3 minus 11 into minute hand value is 15. Now simplify this. Half into 180 minus 165. To multiply a number with 11, sandwich the sum of digits in between the digits. 1 and 5 in between 6. My speed matrix classes you can refer to for further learning of the speed matrix. So 180 minus 15 is 165 is 15. 15 modulus is 15 by 2 itself. That is 7.5 degree is the answer. Option D. Please respond all of you whether this concept is clear. How to find our hand. This is one way of doing it. You can do other ways also. But this is a way that is that can be used for any time, any question giving any time. That is why this method, if you can remember this formula, it is good. In this question, without this also you can do. You can think about, if this is 0 degree, this will be half of 15 degree. You can find it using how many angle have gone by. Yeah, that I haven't taught you till now. So I will show you a question to explain you how much angle an hour hand and minute hand will trace in a minute and an hour. So try this question, GATE 2019 problem. With this question, I will explain that concept. After learning that concept, the previous question can be done that way also. So make a try, all of you. Okay, many of you got it right. Very good. Others, I will explain the concept. Okay, all of you who are watching the session, if you are learning things, please try to make sure that you have hit the like button. That will help this video to reach to more and more people. So all of you make sure who are watching this live and who are watching this recorded, please hit the like button and share this video to maximum people. So a worker noticed that the hour hand on the factory clock had moved by 225 degree. Hour hand moved by 225 degree during her stay at the factory. For how long did she stay in the factory? So look at this. So for example, if this is the case, this is 12 o'clock now. Hour hand moved by 225 degree means when our hand from here at 12 o'clock, our hand is at 12 na. At 1 o'clock, our hand is at 1 o'clock na, or 1 na, the marking 1. Our hand 1 pe hoga, 1 o'clock pe our hand 1 pe hoga na. So from 12 to 1, how much our hand have gone by? That is what you should know for doing this question. Till full 12 hours if you cover, our hand will move 360 degree na. 360 degree in 12 hours. Is that clear? Because the clock is a circle, so circle angle is 360 degree. So 360 degree in 12 hour. 360 degree in 12 hour means 1 hour mein 360 degree by 12. 360 degree by 12, 30 degree will be the movement na. 1 hour mein 30 degree move karega our hand. This point you should understand. 1 hour our hand movement is by 30 degree. 1 hour our hand movement is by 30 degree means question says that 225 degree total moved. 1 hour mein 30 degree. So 6 hour mein kitna hoga? 180 degree. Yeah, 6 hour, 12 hour mein 360, 6 hour mein 180 na. I'm just trying to make you relate it. No need to use any equation or anything. 6 hour mein 180. We need 225 degree. 7 hour mein 210 ना 210 every hour 30 डिग्री 6 आवर में 180 है तो 7 आवर में 210 8 आवर में 240 डिग्री ना 8 आवर में 240 7 आवर में 210 we need 225 look at this carefully so it should be 7.5 hour ना 1 hour 30 degree so half hour 15 degree 210 plus 15 is 225 degree that is enough to say that 7.5 hours 7.5 hours the worker noticed that our hand moved by 225 degree means she was there in the factory for 7.5 hours. This writing I have given just to make you understand. Once you understood it, readily when you see 210 is 7 hours, 240 is 8 hours, so 225 will be 7.5 hours. Or if you are not at all okay with the logical way, you can use equations also. 1 hour is 30 degree, na? So let x be the number of hours. 1 hour 30 degree means x hours may x into 30 degree equal to 225. And x is equal to 225 degree by 30 degree. So in my all previous classes you have seen, I have told you, logically you can approach something. Mathematically also you can approach something. As much as possible try to think logically. That is much better and faster. So this will be 7.5 degree itself. This way also you can get 7.5 degree. Did you all understood that much? So, very true, Sonam. Thank you, Richa. So all of you understood this much, I guess. Then let's understand another concept. This is another concept you need to know. Try it, please. After that, I will explain. I'll give you 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes. All of you try. Very good. Many of you got it right. How many times do the hands of a clock coincide in a day? What is the meaning of coinciding? For coinciding, what should be the angle? That is the first thing you should understand. For coinciding, what should be the angle between our hand and minute hand? Obviously, coinciding means angle between our hand and minute hand should be 0 degree. Like this. This is coinciding. This is coinciding. This is coinciding. So in each hour, how many times this is happening, we should understand. I told you, minute hand and hour hand coinciding is, coinciding means 0 degree should be the angle. You can exactly find that time and I will teach you a magic number by which you can find this also. But before that, let us understand it pictorially. Just a minute. So, at 12 o'clock, hands coincide. Are you all agreeing that? 12 o'clock, our hand, minute hand के बीच में angle 0 degree होगा ना? Then at 1 o'clock, what happens? Between 1 to 2, when it will happen, we will think. At 1 o'clock, this angle is 30 degree. We already discussed that. That means this minute hand should go further to cross this 30 degree or to cover up this 30 degree. That means after exact 60 minutes, this does not happen. 60 minutes it happens means 12 o'clock mein ye happen hoga, 1 o'clock mein, 2 o'clock mein, 3 o'clock mein. That way it would be 24 times in a day. Some of you got 24 as the answer, thinking that every hour, one time it happens exactly. At 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. But at 1 o'clock it does not happen. Now. And if you think 2 o'clock, the angle is 60 degree. It does not happen. At 1 o'clock, it does not happen. Now the minute hand should cross till here. But by the time minute hand reach here, our hand will go a little more further. Na? Little more further. Minute hand reach here means 1:05 is the time. 1:05 is the time. That little more further, you can calculate it mathematically. And if you calculate it mathematically, you will see that it is at 1:05, 5 by 11 minutes. 5 by 11 minutes. 5 by 11 minutes means 5 minutes and 5 by 11 partial minutes. 5 by 11 partial minutes means seconds. Almost 28 seconds. 27, 28 seconds. Or 30 seconds. 5.5 you can say as approximately. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? That is being written in this flashcard also. Look at this. Between 12 to 1 it happens at 12:0. 0 degree happens at 12:0. 12:0. Between 1 to 2 it happens at 5 and 5 by 11 minutes. 5 and 5 by 11 minutes. 5 and 5 by 11 minutes means 5.5 minutes approximately. Are you all understanding? And remember, this time gap is always constant. What is the time gap? 1 hour and 5 by 11 minutes. That is the magic number you should remember. Hands coinciding will repeat after 1 hour, 5 and 5 by 11 minutes. 1 hour, 5 and 5 by 11 minutes can be written as 65 and 5 by 11 minutes. Are you all understanding? Remember this in mind. 65 and 5 by 11 minutes ke baad, hands will coincide again. 12 o'clock coincide kiya to 65 and 5 by 11. 60 minutes means 1 hour, that is 1 o'clock. Then 5 and 5 by 11 minutes more. So this magic number 65 and 5 by 11 minutes, if you can remember, that will help in many questions. So at between 1 to 2 it happens at 5 and 5 by 11, that is 1:5 5 by 11. Between 2 to 3, 1:5 5 by 11 plus 65 and 5 by 11 minutes it is. That is 1 hour and 5 and 5 by 11 minutes extra. That is 2, 5 plus 5, 2, 10, 5 by 11 plus 5 by 11, 2, 10, 10 and 10 by 11. Are you understanding that point, all of you? Please respond in the chat. This is a concept that takes some time to understand, but if you understood it, this will help you in many questions. So the 65 and 5 by 11 minutes or 1 hour, 5 and 5 by 11 minutes, both are same. That idea should be clear. That idea, if it is clear, how that will help you to do this question. So in a day means, question is asking in a day how many times the hands of the clock will coincide. In a day, you should understand that in a day 24 hours are there. Na? 24 hours means 2 cycles of 12 hours. 12 hours, 2 cycles. In 12 hours, what happens? Let us understand. So if it was 60 minutes, if it is repeat 12 over 12 times it happens. But as it is repeating after 65 and 5 by 11 minutes, it does not happen 12 times. It happens only 11 times. This is very important. I will show you why it is 11 times. Look at this. 12 o'clock it happens. 1 o'clock it happens 1:05 approximately. 2 o'clock it happens 2:10 approximately. 3 o'clock, between 3 and 4 it happens 3:16 approximately. Look at this. So it is going away and away from the previous hour hand. Previous hour hand se zyada away ho raha hai. Between 5 and 6 it happens at 5:27 minutes something. Between 6 and 7 it happens 6:30 something. And between 7 and 8 it happens like this, coinciding 8 and 9, 10 and 11. Yeah, now look at this. Between 10 and 11 it happens something like 10:54 something. So between 10 and 11 it happens here. Between 11 and 12 it happens at 12 o'clock only. It happens at 12 o'clock only. We already counted 12 o'clock once now. 12 to 1 we already counted that it happens once. That same occurrence is happening for 11 to 12 also. Are you understanding? And what is the reason that happens? Because instead of 60 minutes, it is 65 and 5 by 11 minutes. That 5 and 5 by 11 minutes are added and 1 hour is missing or 1 time is missing. Understanding, all of you? That is why 12 to 1 it happens once. Same time itself 11 to 12 also it happens. So you cannot count it again. So in 12 hours it happens only 11 times. In 12 hours, it happens only 11 times. So in 24 hours, in a day there is 24 hours. Now 24 hours it happens 22 times. Now is this clear to all of you? All of you understood this? How many of you understood it? Please respond. How many of you understood this? In every hour it happens exactly once, but in some hours it happens 0 times. Which is that hour? 11 to 12. Only one time. 1 hour. Only that hour it happens 0 times. Yeah, those of you understood, please mention in the chat. That will help me to explain more or less. Look at this picture carefully. Can you count it? How many times it is occurring? How many times this hands coinciding is occurring? All of you count it. Those of you still didn't understand, count it. And count it and then tell me where it is missing, which hour it is missing. Hands coinciding. Every hour, one time it should happen. Na? 12 to 1, it is happening once. 1 to 2, happening once. 2 to 3, happening once. 3 to 4, happening once. 4 to 5, happening once. 5 to 6, happening once. 6 to 7, happening once. 8 to 9, 7 to 8, happening once. 8 to 9, happening once. 10 to 11, happening once. 9 to 10, happening once. 10 to 11, happening once. 11 to 12, it is not happening at all. Because 12 to 1, we already counted this 12 o'clock time. That time is already counted. That time only it will happen again. Because 10:54 से 65 and 5/11 minute add किया तो 12 o'clock मिलेगा. So that is the idea. Okay. 65 and 5/11 minutes. Some of you still have doubt. Okay. Those of you have doubt about that, I will show you another question so that you get little more clarity. This is a November 2020 net exam problem. All of you try this. And then I will explain back the previous question once again. With this concept, you will be able to understand it. Make a try. Clock problem, some concepts take some time to understand. Don't worry, it will be clear today itself. Make a try with this question. Okay, some of you got it right. If any of you are having video issue, if the video is not clear, it is because that your phone or laptop is auto adjusting the video setting. Go to the YouTube setting, that 3 dots. There you can change the resolution, set the maximum resolution, then the video will be clear. Okay, listen carefully. Here, the hour and minute hand of a clock are along the same line. Same line at a certain time. They will be collinear. Same line and collinear both mean same. Same line means what? It is not coinciding. It is opposite to each other. Opposite to each other means you should understand. That means it is the, one second, show you. Yeah, look at this. This is opposite to each other or collinear or hands on the same line. That is, angle between them should be 180. Previous question we discussed about coinciding. Here we are discussing about hands opposite to each other. Hands opposite to each other, that is 180 degree between them. For example, at 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock, hands are opposite to each other. Na? Is that clear? At 6 o'clock, hands are opposite to each other. With that 6 o'clock idea, I will explain this question. So in this question, just a minute. Yeah, the hour hand and minute hand of a clock are along the same straight line at a certain time. I will take an example. Let that time be 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock time mein hands opposite to each other hoga na? Are you agreeing that 6 o'clock time mein hands opposite to each other hoga? They will be collinear. That collinear means hands along the same line itself. Collinear next after a lapse of how much time? That is a question, or which is closest to. Let us check each options and understand this so that you get a practical idea. In clock problem, the thing is that you should practically think about how the clock moves. The main problem we are facing in this chapter is we don't see much analog clocks more often. We look time in our watch or the digital clocks more often. That is why it takes some time to understand this. So listen very carefully. Option A answer है तो meaning क्या है? 30 minutes के बाद again coincide करेगा. Let us see 30 minutes के बाद 6 o'clock 30 minutes के बाद मतलब time will be 6:30. Is this coinciding? Is it 180? No, this is very short an angle. No? That is very short an angle. Are you all understanding? It is less. It is almost 15 degree only. So definitely, yeah, 30 minutes. Let us keep 30 minutes as such. 33 minutes. 33 minutes. It will be more closer. Na? Minute hand will be more faster, and the angle will be even smaller. 60 minutes. Let us understand 60 minutes. 6 o'clock we understood that. 6 o'clock we understood time is like this. Opposite 180 degree. 60 minutes के बाद क्या होगा? Our hand will be on 7. Our hand will be on 7. Minute hand will be on here. What is this angle? This angle will be 150 degree. This angle will be 150 degree because this much is 30 degree. That theory I already told you. 1 hour में 30 degree. So remaining 150 degree होगा ना? Is that clear to all of you? ये 150 degree होगा. 150 degree 180 से near है. But let us check whether any other option. 63 minutes है. 63 minutes means time will go a little more further. Na? Time will go a little more further. Minute hand is faster hand. So 63 means something like this. This is very closer to 180 compared to 150. Na? Are you all understanding that point? Previous case से compare किया तो ये angle थोड़ा और 180 से ज़्यादा पास है. 180 से exactly 180 कब होगा? 65 and 5 by 11 minutes. That is how the relevance of 65 and 5 by 11 comes. For hands coinciding also after 65 and 5 by 11 minutes it happens. For hands opposite to each other also after 65 and 5 by 11 minutes it happens. But the question is asking time which is closest to. ये 4 option में कौन सा time closest होगा? 63 minutes closest होगा. Or the theory is the answer which is closest to 65 and 5 by 11 minutes will be the answer. ये 4 option में 63 minutes more closer है. So how many of you understood this? I will explain once more. Hands opposite to each other, hands coinciding. Both cases you should understand the property after 65 and 5 by 11 minutes or after 1 hour 5 and 5 by 11 minutes it happens again. 6 o'clock is a convenient time to start. That is why I am starting analysis from 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock time में angle 180 में 180 होगा ना, और hands of the clock are on the same line. This is the meaning of hands are on the same line. Collinear also means the same. Now this will happen 180 degree again कब होगा? That is a theory I am teaching you. That will be at 65 and 5 by 11 minutes later. 65 and 5 by 11 minutes means 60 minutes later means 7 o'clock. So 65 and 5 by 11 minutes means 7, 5, 5 by 11. If this is 7, 5, 5 by 11, this is when 180 degrees is obtained. But there is no option 65 or 65 and 5 by 11 minutes. So closest option चाहिए, इसलिए 63 minutes answer है. Latest net exam question है ये. Okay, is this clear? So this magic number 65 and 5 by 11 minutes, if you can remember, this will help you a lot. Are you understanding? So can you tell me, so I will ask you one more question. How many times hands will be opposite to each other in a day? Answer it in the chat. Hands will be opposite to each other or collinear, both means the same. Hands opposite to each other or collinear in a day, how many times it happens in a day? Hands coincide, how many times we discussed already? Hands opposite to each other, how many times it happens? Mention in the chat. Very good, very good, wonderful. 22 times it happens, just like the previous case, because here also the magic number is 65 and 5 by 11 ना, coincide करने के लिए 65 and 5 by 11 minutes के बाद होगा, 180 degree भी 65 and 5 by 11 minutes के बाद होगा. And if you want the full list of time when this happens, I have compiled it for you in this flashcard. Look at this. These flashcards are available in my Telegram channel. You can search Christy Varghese Unacademy or Christy's classes to find the Telegram channel. In the media section, you can find all these. So here, look at this. These are the times at which this happens. 180 degree, 6 o'clock se shuru karega. 6 o'clock. 7, between 7 to 8, it happens 7, 5, 5 by 11. Just like here, I told 12, 1, 5, 5 by 11. Here 7, 5, 5 by 11. Because 6 o'clock se shuru karna easy hai. Because 6 o'clock, our hand is at 0. Sorry, minute hand is at 0. That's why we am starting with 6 o'clock for 180 degree. 6 o'clock imagine karo. 6 o'clock mein our hand minute hand opposite hai na. 180 degree angle create karega na. That is what is called collinear or angle opposite to each other. So 7, 5, 5 by 11 में ये होगा. उसके बाद 65 and 5 by 11 minutes add करो. 65 and 5 by 11 minutes add करो मतलब 1 hour 5 and 5 by 11 minutes add करो. 1 hour add किया तो 8 to 9 हो गया. 8 to 9 के बीच में 5 and 5 by 11 के साथ 5 and 5 by 11 add किया तो 10 and 10 by 11 मिलेगा. Yeah, that fraction addition part you should be clear at it. Then only you can do it faster. Anyway, finding all the time is not necessary. But I'm saying is this tool is so powerful that you can find all the time by this itself. The 65 and 5 by 11 minutes idea. All the time at which the hands opposite to each other happens. Between 9 to 10, 1 hour, 10 and 10 by 11 के साथ 5 and 5 by 11 add किया तो 16 and 4 by 11 मिलेगा. Then this, then this. Then after 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Yeah, after 4 to 5, look at this. Between 4 and 5, this happens. Between 5 and 6, it happens at 60 minutes only. 560. What is the meaning of 560 time? 60 minutes after 5 o'clock. That is 6 o'clock itself. Na? So these two times are same time. So this can be counted only once. That is why it is 22 times in a day. Because 11 times in 12 hours. 11 plus 11, 22 times in a day only 180 degree happens again. Is that clear, all of you? Please respond. So hands opposite to each other coinciding, you should understand. And as an extra fact, if you want, right angle, how many times right angle is created like this? That is actually not 22, it is 44. Go through this flashcard later, you will understand it. Questions were not asked till now with that. So I will go to another type of question, and then if time allows, I will come back to 90 degree case also. So I will show you one more question of this type asked in previous NET exam. Look at this. Now this question should be easy. Indirectly, it is asking something we already learned. Make a try, all of you. So the number of times the minute hand and hour hand in clock are exactly above each other. Above each other means angle between them is 0, that is hands coinciding itself. Hands coinciding. So hands coinciding, we already discussed this now. Here they are indirectly asking. This is a November 2020 net exam problem. 1 a.m. to 1 a.m. on the next day. 1 a.m. to 1 a.m. on the next day means what? 24 hours are there between that now. Today 1 a.m. and tomorrow 1 a.m. 24 hours are there. That confusion should not be there. Is it 24 hours or 12 hours? It is clearly 24 hours. 24 hours mein kya hoga? I already explained that in detail with the picture. I will show you the picture once again, and yeah, look at this. This is a complete picture. This is from 12 to 12. If it is from 1 to 1 also same answer, na? There you count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in 12 hours. So 22 in 24 hours. So 22 is the answer. Hope all of you understood that. So that is the latest net exam problem asking this concept. So the 65 and 5 by 11 minutes concept, keep it in mind. So now another concept I will teach you. Just a minute. Okay, these facts are summarized in this flashcard already. 65 and 5 by 11 minutes it happens. Each hour 30 degree our hand will move, and each minute hand will move 6 degree. That also keep it in mind. And two hands of a clock coincide 22 times in a day. These concepts, keep it in mind. And mirror image question, in one time in GATE exam mirror image question was asked. Mirror image question, this is the theory. I will come to mirror image question asked in GATE exam. Before that, I will show you one more type asked in CSIR. One second. Yeah, this is a question. All of you try this. Very interesting question. Which is thought provoking. It will make you think logically. Mathematically also you can do it, but if you logically do it, this question gives you answer in what we can say 30 seconds. Yes, Anajit. Yes, approximately 27 seconds. You are right. Okay, many of you got it right, and all of you are again requested, if you are liking this session, please like this video. That will help to get this video to more and more people. Please make sure you do that. As some of you were telling, I don't know why some people don't like the video. If it is because you don't understand the concept, you can mention that in the comments, because that will help me to understand what is there in your mind and what kind of sessions you need. So your comments are also welcome. positive or negative, what you felt about the sessions, please comment. Crick expert, gate postponed. Yeah, gate postponed. There are many campaigns that is happening. They should postpone it, but currently there is no update. But I am not the person who can postpone it. But I have also done my part by being part of the campaign to postpone it. But don't know what IIT Kharagpur will decide. Till now, there is no update of postponement. If there is any update, I will let you know in the upcoming classes, whenever I get any update. Okay, so at one instant, the hour hand and the minute hand. Yeah, those people who are not well, or those people suffering from COVID or any fever or anything, take care, all of you, before the exam. Get well very soon. Take care of your health and take care of your health of your family also. At one instant, the hour hand and minute hand of a clock are one over the other. One over the other means angle between them is 0 degree. Angle between them is 0 degree. Between the markings of 5 and 6 on the dial, at this instant, the tip of the minute hand is closer to marking of 6, is equidistant of marking of 5 and 6, is closer to marking of 5. That is what the question is asking. Look at this. This is what you need to find. Between 5 and 6, that time the minute hand is closer to 5 or closer to 6, or is it same distance from 5 and 6? That is the meaning of equidistant. So these are the three major options given. Either if you have by heart and the time when hands coincide, you can find whether that time is more closer to 5 or more closer to 6 with respect to minute hand reading. But that is time consuming, finding that particular time and doing. Here you can logically do it. That is what I am going to explain. Minute hand 5 se zyada pass hai ya 6 se zyada pass hai ya equidistant from 5 and 6 hai. That are the three options that we need to analyze. Let us understand. Between 5 and 6, between the marking 5 and 6, this is happening now. So definitely the time is before 5:30. Are you all understanding that time is less than 5:30? Because 5:30 पे minute hand 6 पे होगा ना. Minute hand 6 पे नहीं, minute hand 5 और 6 के बीच में होना चाहिए, because our hand is exactly between 5 and 6. Our hand over minute hand or minute hand over our hand is what you need. So definitely time is before 5:30 for sure. Or to be precise, time is between 5:25 and 5:30. The time at which this happens will be between 5 and 6. That is, time is between 5:25 and 5:30. So, the tip of the hour hand at this particular time, definitely the tip of the hour hand will be more closer to 5 now, because the time is before 5:30. Because tip of our hand exact middle में होगा कब? 5:30 time में. Are you all understanding that? At 5:30 time, the hour hand is exact middle of 5 and 6. Because at 5 o'clock time, our hand यहाँ पे होगा 5 o'clock पे. At 6 o'clock time, our hand 6 o'clock पे होगा, 6 पे होगा. So 5:30 time में our hand exact middle of 5 and 6 में होगा. Our hand will be exact middle of 5 and 6. Are you all understanding? Exact middle of 5 and 6 at 5:30. We understood that the time is before 5:30. We know that the time is before 5:30. So definitely our hand is more closer to 5 o'clock now. Our hand is more closer to 5 o'clock, and the minute hand is over this our hand, which is more closer to 5 o'clock. Our hand 5 से ज़्यादा पास है और minute hand वो our hand के ऊपर है. So minute hand भी 5 o'clock से या 5 का marking, not 5 o'clock, 5 marking से ज़्यादा पास होगा ना. And that is what the question is asking, whether it is more closer to 5 marking or 6 marking. Our hand 5 marking से ज़्यादा पास है, so minute hand भी 5 marking से ज़्यादा पास है. No calculation needed if you are logically doing like this. Is this clear? All of you, please respond. How option C is the answer? Is closer to marking of 5. Why? So if that is clear, let's go to the next question. So this is how logically you can do it. Mathematically, if you want to do it, you can use half into modulus of 60h minus 11m and find the time. And that time you have to see whether it is before 527 and half or after 527 and half. Very time consuming it will be. Doing like this, it will save a lot of time. If there is any lack of clarity, mention that. I will explain more. If it is clear, mention that also. Between 5 and 6, hands coincide at this time exactly. But finding that exact time is not necessary. This time anyway, if you can find, this is more less than 527 and half. Okay. So yeah, one special announcement to all of you. Tomorrow's class will not be in the YouTube channel of Unacademy. Tomorrow's class will be in the Unacademy special class platform. The link of that is tagged in the chat. Click on the link, and if you are new to Unacademy, you may have to download mobile application of Unacademy or visit the website of Unacademy. By clicking that link itself, you can attend that. Tomorrow 11 a.m. free class itself. The topic will be calendar problem. Just like clock problem, calendar problem is another interesting topic which comes in GATE and NET exam. Tomorrow 11 a.m. free class, not in YouTube channel, but in the master series will be conducted in the Unacademy free platform. So enroll for it so that you can find it. Yeah, you can follow that page so that you get update whenever I go live for the class or whenever I share any study material. If you follow the page in Unacademy, Christy Varghese profile in Unacademy, you will get update of that and attend tomorrow's class. And day after tomorrow, I'm planning to conduct a very special session in the free platform itself. That is discussing the Earth Science Part A question paper. As you know, yesterday the first CSIR NET exam of 2022 happened. That is for earth science students. For all science students, aptitude section is common. So earth science question paper I am going to analyze in day after tomorrow 11 a.m. class. So follow my page so that you will get update of that 11 a.m. class also. The link given in the chat, click on it and click on the follow button to get update of that upcoming free class. So that is what I want to convey. So yeah, by analyzing the earth science question paper, you get an idea the difficulty level that they are setting this year. More or less it will be the same, the difficulty level also, the type of questions also. So yeah, I have seen few questions. The earth science question paper aptitude section was not that tough. It was medium level. Very many questions were repeated. Even calendar problem also, the concepts we had discussed in previous classes, exact same concept was repeated. Geometry, many concept was repeated. So I will show you all that in the upcoming free classes. So stay tuned for that. There will be regular free classes in the Unacademy YouTube channel and Unacademy special class platform. So attend that for further learning. And February 2nd onwards, we are starting the new batch of full-length course in the Unacademy Plus platform. You can be part of that also. So try this question. This is another question where the mirror image concept was asked. This is the next concept you should know in clock problem. Richa, the class will be till 12:10, 12:15 maximum. So good to hear, Snehal. Thank you. So Najat, it is not 27 minutes, 15 seconds, 27 and 3 by 11 will be, yeah, almost 15. Yes, almost 15, Sanajit. 15 to 20 seconds we can say. Yes, Sanajit, you are right. You are right. Mathematically, you can do that, but that is very time consuming. That's the only problem. Thank you, Richa. New students, I will give you how to attend. I will show you a demo how to attend the upcoming free classes and how to enroll for the paper analysis series also towards the end of the class. So this is a clock problem and a spatial aptitude problem at the same time. Spatial aptitude in GATE exam, it is in the last year onwards, it is asking. So I will explain how this is done. So many of you got it right also, very good. 12, 1, 11, something, 10, 9, I will mark this much. 2¼ hours back, when seen in a mirror, the reflection of a wall clock without number marking. So this is on the wall and you are placing a mirror here. In the mirror, how it will look? So the mirror is here and I am looking at the mirror, that clock time. So that time was shown 1:30. That time was shown 1:30 means in the mirror, if you are placing a mirror like this, yeah, as it is the wall is here, placing a mirror means parallel like this only is possible. That means a mirror is placed vertically. So definitely there is a horizontal flipping. Horizontal flipping, na? Mirror image, horizontal flipping. So 1:30 is what it is shown means the actual time is not 1:30. This should be flipped. This should be flipped. This is 1 hour, 1.5 hour. So 1 hour, 1.5 hour. The actual time will be 10:30. I mean, instead of this mirror image time, the real time will be 10:30 at that moment. At that moment, the time will be 10:30. At that moment, the time will be 10:30. So that much is clear, I guess. But the question is asking, sorry, actual current time. That is 2¼ hours back, na? 2¼ hours back, 10:30 was the time. So the present time will be 2¼ quarter already we discussed, 15 minutes. 10, 30 minutes to 15 minutes. Added up, you will get 12:45 minutes. 12:45 will be the correct time now. Current time shown on the clock. Not in the mirror image, but shown on the clock. Is this clear to all of you? Why option D is the answer? Many of you got option D. Some of you got option B. I hope it is clear now why option D is the correct answer. Please respond in the chat whether this is clear or not. Mirror image, actually you can do like this, but if you want a mathematical shortcut for that, I will show you that also. Mirror image, this is the shortcut you can use, but that is not that much a shortcut. If you are logically doing also, you will get the answer almost in the same time. So subtract 1160, subtract from 1160 if the time is from 1 to 11. Only if the time is from 11 to 1, there is an exception, because 11 to 1 you cannot subtract from 1160. Na? So you have to subtract from 2360. Because 23 hours, 11 hours, both are same. Na? 23 standard, in the international time we say 23 standard time, we say 23 o'clock. 23 o'clock means 11 p.m. So as we cannot subtract a number 11 or more than 11 from 11, there between 11 to 1 you have to take 2360. For all other time 1 to 11 you take 1160. 1160 minus that time. That way also you can do. Again I will say, don't worry about that. Just like we did now, that way you can do. That imagination is enough. Otherwise you can follow this also. So that is a mirror image concept. So move 2¼ hours back, that time it was. KP also have doubt. Okay, those of you have doubt about that question, I will just repeat one more time. Look at this. Question says 2¼ hours back, that was the time. मतलब 2 hour 15 minutes पहले एक वॉल क्लॉक का रिफ्लेक्शन देखा, मिरर रिफ्लेक्शन देखा. वो मिरर रिफ्लेक्शन में 1:30 टाइम था. 1:30 टाइम मिरर रिफ्लेक्शन पे है, तो रियल टाइम मिरर ये हॉरिजॉन्टल फ्लिप करना है. दिस इज द point of line of symmetry itself, so that will not flip. This only will flip. In spatial aptitude free lecture, yeah, new students, my GATE complete course is running at 6 p.m. if possible today 6 p.m. Venn diagram we will be discussing. There we are discussing all the GATE topics elaborately in my YouTube channel, Christy's Classes YouTube channel. Complete free course is running at 6 p.m. 10 lectures have completed, that you can check out. And there I will take spatial aptitude as a separate lecture and explain more how this flipping, how mirror image, how rotation, how other kind of, there are many transformations that you have to learn about in spatial aptitude. Here it is mirror image, which is one of the simplest transformation you have to do. So here if this is the line of symmetry, this flipping, this is 1.5 hours. So 1.5 hours before 12, that is 10, between 10 and 11. Now, so the time is 10:30. Time 10:30 होगा, real time. कब 10:30 होगा? 2.25 hours back 10:30 होगा correct time. 2.25 hours back 10:30 है तो question 2.25 hours back का time नहीं, actual current time पूछा है. That will be 2.25 hours further na, or added na. 2.25 hours should be added. Are you all understanding that part? So 10:30 के साथ 2 hour 15 minute का ऐड किया तो क्या मिलेगा? 10 plus 2 ऐड किया तो 12 hour मिलेगा. 30 plus 15 ऐड किया तो 45 hour मिलेगा. 45 minutes मिलेगा. Is that clear now? KP, is it clear? Movu clear? Gitika, calendar question we will be discussing tomorrow 11 a.m. Tomorrow 11 a.m. in the Unacademy special class platform. The link tagged in the chat, click on it and you can enroll for it. I will show you new students how to be part of the Unacademy special class platform and attend all the upcoming free classes. And as I told, tomorrow I am planning to take, day after tomorrow I am planning to take paper analysis of the first set of question paper. So that will help you to understand the standard of question paper CSIR is setting for this February exam. So all of you are welcome to attend it, and your friends also, please invite them. The link tagged in the chat, copy it and share it with your friends. So new students, I'll just show you how to access the platform. Just a minute. Okay, so new students, you just have to visit the mobile application Unacademy, or download the mobile application Unacademy, or visit the website Unacademy, or just click on the link in that chat. If you are a new student or new person to Unacademy, you may have to give any of your mobile number to get an OTP, and you can log into it. If that is only for the first time, once you are logged in, you can get it. For example, you can just enter an OTP, and I'll just show you new students how to access the daily free classes. So, and you can just search for the category. For example, if you want to attend CSIR UGC NET, click on CSIR UGC NET. My classes are all in CSIR UGC NET category. So, and just search for the educator you want to follow. For example, if you want to attend my classes, you can search my name, Christy or Christy Varghese, and you can find my profile. And there will be a follow option here. Click on the follow option so that you will get regular updates from the educator, and the community updates also you will be getting. Study materials, daily free class update, and you will be notified by Unacademy whenever the educator goes for a free live class. And there you can find the upcoming free classes. This logged classes are actually plus courses. By plus subscription you can access that. These also logged, these courses are full-length courses or batch courses, but free classes are the special classes. You can click on the special class and access that. So tomorrow's class will not be in the YouTube channel. So for the new students, I'm informing this. So you can access, this is the upcoming classes. Sorry, this is tomorrow's class, calendar problem for CSIR NET and GATE 2022. Click on that and there will be a notify me option. So this will be live tomorrow 11 o'clock. Click on the notify me option also, and you can share this link to your friends also by copying it and sharing it in your social media handles also. So that is how you can access the regular free classes, live classes itself. 11 o'clock is my regular free class timing in Unacademy YouTube channel or Unacademy special class platform. 6 o'clock I take free classes in my YouTube channel, and 3 o'clock daily free classes, daily free videos are updated in my channel also. And this is one important update, that you can access the plus platform classes now with the discount of 20% for today and tomorrow. So make use of that also if you are planning to be part of the plus courses. So plus courses, this is the new course we are starting from February 2nd, this Wednesday onwards. New complete batch is starting. So this is the details of the new complete batch, complete course on general aptitude for CSIR NET 2022. So there will be 54 lectures of 1.5 hours. So 81 hours I will be teaching you general aptitude in detail. 2.5 months, Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. live class. If you are not able to attend live class, you can attend recordings of the live class anytime you want in the subscription period. And these are the full schedule of the course. All the topics of general aptitude will be discussed in detail. And after every 3 classes, there is a doubt clearing session to individually attend each of your doubts. So this is how you can access the upcoming plus course. So this is the full length course starting from Wednesday onwards. And this is how you can get subscription. As I told, today and tomorrow there is a special offer Unacademy have given. So plus or Iconic have some extra features, but classes are almost same, but Iconic have some extra features that you can see here. So plus subscription, this is a 20% discount is valid only for 2 days. For example, if you are taking a 6-month subscription or a 3-month subscription, as per your need, you can choose the subscription. So here you have to use, so if this price is 2083 per month, if you apply the referral code, you will be getting the discounted price. And you can see that the price gets discounted to 1667. That is 20% off. That is applicable only for today and tomorrow. After that, there will be only 10% off. And then you can proceed to pay. And this is another thing, that if you have credits in your profile, if you use it along with this referral code, you will get more discount. That means you are getting almost 25% discount by applying these two for today and tomorrow. So make use of this opportunity if you want to be part of the upcoming plus course February 2nd onwards. And let me tell you one thing, by this plus subscription, you are not only accessing my courses, you can access all the subject educators courses also by a single subscription. There is no separate payment, unlimited access to all the educators, all the courses. That is how plus subscription works. So one subscription, all courses of all educators, unlimited access you will be getting. So this is, yeah, if you can afford plus subscription, definitely it's a good profile or good thing to learn general aptitude or learn your subject part or completely learn CSIR NET in one profile or one platform itself. But if you are Unacademy plus subscription, you cannot take, you can still attend the daily free classes at 11 a.m. of general aptitude by going through the special classes. Yeah, special classes, more than 400 special classes I have given till now. All those recordings are available. More than 400 free classes are there already. So make use of that also for further learning of general aptitude. So I'm concluding today's session here. So meet you again tomorrow at 11 a.m. in the Lakshmi. Tomorrow's link is available there, or just if it is not able to, you are not able to access, just be part of my group, Telegram group or WhatsApp group. I will update daily whenever I go for a free live class, or click on the link tagged in the chat. I think by that it will redirect to the Unacademy special class platform itself. Check it out. Otherwise, just visit the profile like this, you will be able to access. So tomorrow 11 a.m. we will meet by calendar problem, meet for calendar problem. Invite all your friends for that. All GATE aspirants, all CSIR NET aspirants preparing, you can invite. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good day. Today 6 p.m. we will meet again with Venn diagram chapter in my YouTube channel, Christy's classes. Thank you all for attending. All of you take care. Those of you are not well, take care of yourself before the NET exam. Get well very soon. And those of you who are preparing for exam, try to take care of your health and don't get sick as much as possible. Don't get sick at all. So take care of your health, take care of your family. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Share this video to maximum people. Bye bye.